Ever wondered how much a woodworker earns in the United States? Today we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the financial rewards of this skilled craft. From the tranquil forests of Maine to the bustling workshops of New Jersey, the earnings of a woodworker can be as diverse as the projects they undertake. Influenced by factors like location, education, and experience, a woodworker's salary can range from a modest sum to a substantial income. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty details of a woodworker's salary across different states. To start with, the average woodworker salary in the United States is $51,598 per annum. Quite a tidy sum, wouldn't you say? Now, this isn't a concrete number set in stone. Salaries for woodworkers can range from as low as $24,000 to as high as a whopping $108,000 per year. That's quite the range, isn't it? But hold on, let's take it down a notch and talk about the hourly rate. On average, a woodworker earns about $24.81 per hour. Once again, this rate can fluctuate based on a variety of factors. We're talking about things like location, education, and years of experience. Just think about it. Two woodworkers could be doing the exact same job but earning different rates simply because one lives in Alaska while the other resides in Colorado. Or perhaps one has a few more years of experience under their belt or holds a higher educational degree. Now let's see how these figures change from state to state. Location plays a crucial role in determining a woodworker's earnings. Just like in any other profession, where you ply your trade can significantly affect your income. Let's take a journey across the United States, examining the average salaries of woodworkers in different states. We'll start with Alaska, a state known for its rugged beauty and wilderness. Here, woodworkers command the highest average salary in the country, at a whopping $75,724 annually. That's certainly an impressive figure, isn't it? Moving on to the East Coast, we find New Jersey, Maine, Maryland, and Rhode Island, all of which offer high average salaries for woodworkers. The allure of these states isn't just in their beautiful landscapes, but also in the value they place on the craft of woodworking. On the other hand, we have states like Colorado, Oklahoma, and Montana. While these states are rich in natural beauty and vibrant culture, they unfortunately rank amongst the lowest when it comes to the average salaries for woodworkers. However, it's important to remember that the cost of living in these states may also be lower, offsetting the lower wage to some extent. It's clear that the state you choose to work in as a woodworker can have a substantial impact on your income. This doesn't mean you should pack your bags and move to Alaska or New Jersey just yet. It's crucial to consider other factors like your level of experience, education, and the cost of living in these states. So whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a newbie in this field, it's worth taking a closer look at these figures before deciding where to set up your workshop. Remember, every state has its own charm and opportunities. As you can see, where you work as a woodworker can significantly impact your earnings. A woodworker's salary in the United States varies greatly. We've delved into the numbers and discovered that the average annual paycheck is around $51,598, though this can swing from a modest $24,000 all the way up to a substantial $108,000. This range isn't just about the level of experience or education, though those can certainly play a part. A big influencer is the state in which you choose to work. Alaska, for instance, offers the highest average salary for woodworkers at a handsome $75,724 a year. On the other hand, states like Colorado, Oklahoma, and Montana tend to sit at the lower end of the pay scale. Of course, other factors will come into play, like the company you work for. Top employers like Armstrong World Industries and ADEC are known to offer competitive salaries in this field. So if you're considering a career as a woodworker, remember that your earnings could be influenced by a variety of factors, including where you decide to ply your trade.